Forget the captain. In 2026, the real boss on every family cruise is your kid. They're scrolling TikTok, pointing at water slides and Disney characters, and suddenly your dream Mediterranean getaway is canceled. Stick around. This is wild. All right, guys, welcome back. We're doing this countdown style because the takeover is that real. These are the 10 cruise itineraries kids have straight up banned from family 2026 plans. For each one, I'll tell you exactly what it is and why kids killed it dead. Let's roll from 10 to 1. Number 10. Viking River Cruises through Europe. What it is: peaceful 7 to 14 night river sailings down the Rhine or Danube, with wine tastings, castle tours, and 0 kids facilities. Why it's banned? Kids see one photo of just looking at old buildings and immediately scream, "Boring!" They've banned anything with water slides or character breakfasts. Parents who try to book it get the death stare until they switch to a megaship. Number 9. Cunard Transatlantic Crossings. What it is: elegant 7-night ocean liner voyages from New York to Southampton, with black tie dinners and ballroom dancing. Why it's banned? Kids refuse to wear suits or sit through 5-course meals. One viral TikTok of Royal Caribbean surf simulators later, and the formal cruise is canceled. Kids have officially banned anything fancy and slow. Number 8. Small Ship Expedition to Antarctica. What it is: 10 to 14 night adventure cruises with zodiac landings, penguins, and icebergs. Very grown-up explorer vibe. Why it's banned? It's freezing and there's no Wi-Fi or water slides. Kids see the cold weather photos and shut it down instantly. They've banned anything that isn't warm Caribbean water and pool decks. Number 7. Oceania Cruises Mediterranean Gourmet Sailings. What it is: port-intensive 10-night itineraries focused on food, wine, and adult-only enrichment classes. Why it's banned? No kids clubs, no arcades, no splash zones. Kids have seen Disney characters waving on the dock and banned any cruise where the highlight isn't meeting Mickey or riding a 10-story water slide.
Number 6. Holland America Long Asia Itineraries. What it is: 14-plus night deep dive cruises to Japan, Singapore, and Vietnam, with cultural lectures and mature crowds. Why it's banned? Kids want constant entertainment, not lectures. They've banned long educational sailings and forced parents straight to 7-night Caribbean loops instead.
Number 5. Windstar Small Ship Greek Isles. What it is: romantic yacht-style sailing with 300 guests max, private beaches, and upscale dining. Why it's banned? Tiny ship means nowhere to run around. Kids have banned intimate adult escapes and demanded the floating theme parks with rock climbing walls and laser tag. Number 4. Traditional 14-day Caribbean without private islands. What it is: old-school loops hitting multiple ports but skipping Castaway Cay or Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Why it's banned? Kids have seen the viral videos of 6-story water slides and private island water parks. Anything without a dedicated kids' beach day is instantly vetoed. Number 3. Luxury river cruises on the Seine or Douro. What it is: short, elegant river voyages with balcony cabins and wine-focused excursions. Why it's banned? There's no pool and I can't run. Kids have banned anything that feels like just sitting on a boat and forced families onto ocean megaships with entire decks just for kids. Number 2. Any adult-only or 18-plus cruise segments. What it is: sophisticated sailings on lines like Virgin Voyages or certain celebrity routes marketed to couples. Why it's banned? Kids literally cannot go. They've banned every single no kids allowed itinerary from family consideration. Parents have 0 choice but to book full family ships. Number 1. Any cruise without onboard thrills or characters. What it is: basic no-frill sailings on older ships with standard pools and 0 theme. Why it's banned? Kids have seen the new 2026 ships: Disney Adventures Iron Man roller coaster, Royal Caribbean's Legend of the Seas Broadway shows, icon-class water parks. They have banned regular cruises forever. If it doesn't have characters, slides, or a private island with 40-foot slides, it's dead. There you have it. the 10 itineraries kids have officially banned from 2026 family cruising. They're not passengers anymore. They're the travel agents. So there it is, folks. Kidfluencing is no longer a joke. In 2026, your children are choosing the ship, the ports, the entire vacation, and cruise lines are redesigning everything around them. The days of quiet adult getaways are gone. If this video exposed something in your own house, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. What has your kid banned from the family vacation list? Bell icon on for next week's video. We're exposing how kids are now dictating Disney World trips too. Thanks for watching. Stay sane out there, parents, and I'll see you in the next one.